Hey guys, okay, so this wig does come from Nadula Hair Company, and these are just a few goodies that come in the bag. That's like a little makeup pouch or some sort of little toiletry bag. It comes with some wig caps, a wig brush. I love those brushes, by the way. A little clip, also a headband, a mirror, and also a little baby hairbrush. Alright guys, so I did go in and bleach these knots with some 30 volume developer, and I pretty much plucked it just a bit and put some flexi rods in it. Okay, so here are the knots kind of bleached, and the wig does come with combs inside the unit and an adjustable cap. I will be going in and putting some makeup on the lace. Any type of powder or liquid foundation will work. So this is what the curls look like after I took the flexi rods out. All I did was I applied the flexi rods on wet hair. So I am going in with some of this olive oil or spray. It's not my fave, but it was what was in arm's reach and all I had at the moment, so I will be using this to hold down my wig. But normally I'll be using like some got to be gel or something like that. Definitely not this spray. But moving right along, I will be taking this little band. It's kind of dirty. It has all kind of like makeup and crap on it, but I did get this from, I don't know where I got this from. I could have cut it off a shirt or something like that. I can't remember. But you can use like an elastic band or any type of little wig grip to put around your edges to hold them down. So now I'm going in and I'm just cutting off my lace. I'm being very, very careful because I did lay a few baby hair on this unit, and I'm trying my best to cut around it. Remember, when you're cutting your lace, it's not a race. Okay, you don't want to cut too much off. So now I'm just going through and I am finger combing out my curls, and that's pretty much it, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this video is not gonna be like super long or anything, so basically let's get right into it. This wig comes from Nadula Hair Company. This is not my first time reviewing for this company. All you have to do if you want to check other videos, just type in my name and then type Nadula by it, and you will see other wigs that I have reviewed. So this wig is 24, I believe it's 24 inches long. I think if this is 24 inches, this is very, very long to be 24 inches. This falls on me kind of like 26 to 28. I am 5'7", guys, and it literally comes underneath my boobs. Okay, so it's pretty long, and I'm not quite sure the density right off the top of my head, but I will have that info down below. So let me tell you guys kind of what I did to this wig. So I did bleach the knots on this wig with 30 volume developer, okay, because I didn't have any 40, so normally I use 40. So I bleached the knots, and I did pluck it a little bit. Now these knots were kind of tough to get bleached, so I had to bleach it for quite some time until I lifted them, you know, to what I wanted, basically. Okay, so this is the parting space, as you guys can see. So in the middle you get a really, really deep part, but on the side you don't get as much of a deep part, so which that's fine with me because I don't really wear my hair all different kind of ways. So on the side you get a little bit of a smaller part, but in the middle, as you can see, you get a good amount of space to do whatever you want to do or whatever you got to do. So this wig did come like body wave, and what I loved about it is that after I washed it, that body wave actually came back. It was like this loose type of wavy, and I absolutely love hair like that. It's very rare to find body wave hair that does that, okay, because most of it, after you wash it, that's it. Okay, like you don't get no wave, no curl, no nothing. So I wanted to do something more with the hair, but I wanted to still keep it simple. So I went in just with some mousse, whatever kind of mousse you got. I just went in with some of this this kind that I got from my local beauty supply store. It was like $3-4, child. And I just put like some mousse on different sections, and I used some of these cheap dollar flexi rods. I put some flexi rods in it and I let it sit overnight, and I ended up coming out with like these beachy type bouncy curls, which I like. You know, they're really, really nice. The hair is actually holding them. Can you speak? The hair is actually holding them very well. So a little bit about the company. The shipping was pretty fast. I got my hair within a week, would have got it sooner, but it was stuck at DHL. Big old deal. But anyways, I got my hair within a week. Customer service is awesome. Okay, always awesome, always have been. And the hair is super nice, super soft, even after bleaching it, bleaching the knots, after plucking it and doing different things to it. This hair is still great. I didn't even have a lot of hair, well, any hair loss after I lifted the knots or anything. And I use 30 volume developer, which, you know, it's kind of harsh. Any type of bleaching is harsh. So I would say that I am having a good experience with this unit. If you're looking for a nice affordable unit, I will tell you that I think they're running a sale right now with like the holidays and Black Fridays and things like that going on. I'll also leave that information down below. Check out the site, okay? Even if you don't buy anything, just check it out to see, you know, what you guys think about it. Check out some of the deals that they have going on. You know, the holidays are coming up, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, first of the year, all that type, tax time, okay, all that type of stuff. So I would say give them a go. If you have tried this company before, leave your thoughts down below and let me know what you guys thought about it. Let me know what you guys thought about this wig. I wanted to do like a, I don't know, like a JAYDA slash Erin inspired type of wig. That's what I was trying to do. That's what I was trying to go for. I know a lot of people don't like baby hair, but y'all know I love baby hair. So it's kind of my thing. Oh yeah, and I did go in with this to lay my wig down. It's the olive oil fix it super hold. You guys know I've done videos on this. It's not my absolute fave, but it was what was within reach at the moment, so it got the job done. Okay, so this is what the wig is looking like. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. It's thick, like super thick, and just nice, just great and perfect for everyday wear. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm not gonna ramble on too long. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave those down below, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.